Well, hello again, and welcome back to our assemblies looking at this wonderful world. Nelson and Auntie Elsie have been on some amazing journeys, haven't they? They've seen some incredible things underwater and then all the different land habitats as well on the savannah and in someone's back garden. I mean, it's amazing. The life that there is out there, the world that we live in is just something else. I'm quite interested, to see where they're going to go today. The other thing to say is, of course, it's coming up to the summer holidays now, isn't it? So maybe, I hope we're all going to get a chance to go out and enjoy this amazing world. Let's hope for some good weather. That would be brilliant, wouldn't it? But now, let's go and join Auntie Elsie and Nelson and see where they're going today and where this balloon is going to take them.
Auntie,
Yes, Nelson?
it's really nice just floating up here above my house, but I'd really like to go on another adventure.
Well, we can, but it's only a short one this time. And you're going to see the most wonderful creature of all.
Really?
Yes.
What kind of creature?
Oh, let's see if you can tell me when we get back.
Right then, but it won't be a long trip, will it?
No, it's only a short one today.
Okay then, well, I'm ready.
I'm ready. Here we go.
I'm hanging on. That was a bumpy landing, Auntie.
It was. Are you okay, Nelson?
Yeah, I'm a little bit dizzy because we was going so fast, but I'm okay.
That's good. Did you see the wonderful creatures?
No, I think I might have missed something, Auntie, because I didn't see any creatures.
Oh, Nelson, see what you can find in the bottom of the balloon basket.
Is there something there?
Yes, go and have a look.
Oh, there's only this.
Oh, have a look inside. What do you see?
Well, it's just a mirror, Auntie.
Yes, but what do you see in it?
I see me.
Ah, that's it, Nelson. You're the wonderful creature.
Oh, I get it. So all of those people we saw are the wonderful creatures you meant.
Yes, and although people sometimes make bad choices and do the wrong thing, we or they are all amazing.
Oh, wow. That makes me feel really valued and important, Auntie.
Oh, I'm so pleased, Nelson. I've loved spending this time with you in the hot air balloon.
Thank you so much, Auntie, for taking me on all of those adventures.
Oh, it's been great. Let's go inside and have a drink and some of that special cake.
Is it banana cake?
It is.
That's my favourite.
I know. Come on, Nelson.
Okay.
Wow, who'd have thought, eh? So, Nelson and Auntie Elsie went all around the world, it seems, looking at people. And then Nelson had a mirror. And the most important bit, it seems the end bit of the story of how God made the world in the Bible, he says he made people at the end to be like him. That's quite extraordinary. Now, if that means that people are really, really special, that you're really special, I've asked some friends of mine. You might recognise some of them. So you're going to hear from Abigail, from Carol and from Dan, and they're going to talk about what we can do, how we can treat other people to make sure they feel as special as they are. So let's hear from them now.
I think the hardest people it is to really value are often the people that are closest to us. The people that we see every day when we wake up in the morning and when we go to bed at night. Our mum and our dad or our siblings. We find it really difficult to really value them because they're just always there. They're part of the furniture, part of the background. But they are a precious gift from God. Those people, they will always be there for you, no matter what. And it's really important that we show them respect, that we show them kindness, that we show them love. And it's amazing, when we treat people well, when we treat people with kindness and we think about our behaviour towards them, often they'll start to treat us well as well. I'm sure some of you have arguments with your siblings. We all do. We all fight with our brothers and sisters. But just try and remember that they are a precious gift from God to you, and treat them as such. Treat them as that precious present. And it will really help your relationship.
What does kindness mean to me? Kindness does mean helping and caring for others. But to me, it's also about receiving kindness. I was given a gift that I know was brought out of someone's birthday money. And it was a little minion called Bob. I know that she felt so excited about giving me that gift. And also I felt so special receiving it. Sometimes that's the hardest thing to do, isn't it? To receive the gift of kindness. But when you do, remember how that person feels, how you feel, and how special it is to have kindness shown to you, as well as showing it to others.
One of the ways we can show love and kindness to other people is to make a simple phone call to maybe a relative who we haven't seen for a while, or maybe someone who we know might be feeling a bit lonely. Lots of people have felt like that a lot over the past year or so. So a really simple thing we can do to show that we love them is to make a phone call. And I'm sure they would really appreciate to hear from you, to hear how you are, but also for you to ask how they are so they can have a nice conversation with you.
Well, that was interesting, wasn't it? We've seen some amazing things over the last few weeks. All these different creatures, and yet the reminder today that the most amazing thing in all God's creation, Christians believe, is people. People like you and me, and our families, and those around us who we need to show kindness and love to, as we've been hearing. It really is quite an amazing thing. Do you know, actually, this is the last assembly of this year. We've done one every week, I think, pretty much, and it's been so good. And I really want us to remember, as we have our last assembly, what a good place to finish, remembering just how special we all are. God has put us in an amazing world, we believe, as Christians, and in the Genesis story, in the Bible, the last thing God makes is people. And he makes them to be like him, really special, but also to look after the world in which he's put us. So just remember that as you break up for your summer holidays. You are really special. You're made by God, and he's given you and me a part to play in looking after this incredible world he's put us in. I'm going to say a prayer. Thank God for that. Ask him to help us. And as usual, if you want to join in, you can close your eyes and say amen at the end, or else you can just listen. Dear Lord, thank you for this wonderful world that we've been learning about. And thank you that the most wonderful thing of all is people like us. Help us to look after each other, and help us to look after this world that you've put us in. Amen. Thank you. It's been great to be with you this year. Have a wonderful summer.